Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So a lot of you have been asking for a succulent that is very easy to grow, that does not require a lot of maintenance and tends to do quite well in different environment. So over here we have a natural variety of succulent. Now ideally a lot of these natural varieties of succulents are not very appealing to look at, but this is an exception. This is Echeveria Chihuahuaensis, which is native to Mexico. It's a very easy to grow succulent, very low maintenance, but you need to understand that you have to give the basic care requirements, which is the soil has to be loose, porous and well draining. Give it a good amount of light, because if you want to have those bright red tips, then you'll have to give it a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. As I said, the soil has to be very loose and porous. You can see my soil is very loose and gritty. Water only when the soil is completely bone dry. You'll have to do a complete watering until the water starts passing through the drain hole. Now light plays a very important role in this succulent, because if you're going to keep it in indirect bright light, the succulent will stay compact, but it's not going to have a very intense red tips. So for that, you'll have to give it a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours after acclimating it, and then those tips will get even more red. So I will also attach the picture how it tends to look like during the peak winters. Last year it was a very intense red in color, so I'll put up the picture because it's a winter dormant succulent. It belongs to the genus of Echeveria, so they tend to go dormant during the winters, and during summers is their active growing period. Propagation is very simple. You can do a leaf propagation. You can separate the offsets once they reach a decent size. Now on leaf propagation, I'm currently working on a video. I have already put up the video in the playlist. You can check it out. Probably if you're planning to start to do a leaf propagation, you can check the first part of the video. You will get a better idea. Mealybugs are not much of an issue on this succulent. I haven't seen mealybugs for a very long time, but ensure that you do a routine check once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks. Other than that, it's a very easy to grow succulent. So if you are a beginner looking out for a very beautiful natural variety of succulent, so here you have Echeveria Chihuahuaensis. So guys, I hope that you like this video. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.